this is Conk, and welcome back to another reaction video! It's been a while since I've uploaded any videos lately. I do apologize, because I have been known to rest a lot. But now, the Conk is back on the job, and raring to go with another reaction coming straight at ya! This is another Christoph White EP, the same guy that made the Three Doofuses and Moo Inc., which, by the way, has over 700 views! I meant my reaction of Moo Inc., not the video of Moo Inc. itself. It has way more views than that. Alright, I'm getting off track. Alright, so this YouTube poop is called Ralph It Ralph. This is a Wreck-It Ralph YouTube poop, and as you all know, I really love Wreck-It Ralph. All those video game references. I just lost it with all those video games. Even Sonic was in it! Alright. So, I will link the original video down in the description below. Make sure you subscribe to Christoph White EP to see his content. So without further ado, let's get started in 3, 2, 1!
My name's Ralph.
Okay.
And I'm a pie. Anywho, I'm 9 foot and 43 feet tall.
Whoa.
I weigh 6 pies. And I'm a...
He's 643 feet tall. Wow, Ralph could be the next Godzilla. Someone has to make that a thing now. And replace Godzilla with Wreck-It Ralph. Somebody has to do that. Don't let me down, people!
very good bad guy.
Oh! Wreck-It Ralph, the very good bad guy. Well, that kinda makes sense, because the plot of Wreck-It Ralph was that Wreck-It Ralph wanted to be a good guy instead of a bad guy. But in the end, he turned out to be a very good bad guy, so kinda strings across the actual plot. Wow. That's the first time it ever happened. Oh, come on, we don't want to hear that. Let's just move on.
Hey, excuse me.
Hey. Oh, he just keeps bumping
Our
him.
mission: destroy all side bugs.
Is he gone? Nope.
Oh, come on.
We've only been
plugged in a week, and every day it's fight the building, and fight bugs, climb the building, fight more bugs,
Easy on the overall space.
Fight plugs and fight Bugs Bunny. Oh, come on, Spaceman. What do you have against Looney Tunes?
We've only been plugged in a week.
Yeah, right. Look.
Climb the building, and fight bugs. Climb the building, and fight the building, and fight.
Fight the building? Alright, is the building haunted now? Is that why they had to fight the building, because it's possessed? Maybe? Wow, I was so good into that one, but... wow, my sentences. But like I said, why would they fight the building? I thought we were supposed to climb it. Maybe that could be their fighting technique. They climb the building, then they use their blasters to shoot it down. Simple.
Fight, then climb the building, then climb
Easy
the
there.
building.
Easy, spaceman. All right.
And all for what? A lousy bug.
Ooh. It's shiny?
Pretty shiny.
Oh!
And you said you win it by climbing a building?
No.
What is that?
Okay. In the movie version, Wreck-It Ralph was trying to find a medal, but in this version, he's trying to find a butt? Okay, that's wrong on so many levels.
Maybe.
No.
Listen, is there any chance I could go with you to your game?
No. Only the bugs and the best serve in our core.
He likes the bug. What's happening? Oh! Tough bug. Okay, so they stare at themselves for too long that the whole place explodes. Note to self, never stare too long at a staring contest or things explode around you. That's a life lesson, people. Life lessons!
Step aside, sir. Random security check. Name?
No.
Okay, then. Name?
Oh, Pac-Man.
Name?
Fix it, Felix Jr.
Name Pac-Man. Name Fix-It Felix Jr. Is this supposed to be some kind of joke, Ralph? Oh, come on, it's a YouTube poop. Of course it's gonna have jokes. That's YouTube poop 101. Always put jokes in YouTube poops. Hashtag YouTube poop 101.
Get that a lot. Name?
I hate you.
Name?
Wreck-It Ralph.
And name?
Okay, Ralph's triggered. He can wreck that guy right now.
Ralph, can I help you?
Hey, Felix.
Felix! What's happening? Long stare! Okay, this is getting awkward.
Just a heads up, Felix. There.
Hey, Glenn.
Hey, Glenn! He slammed the door on him! Alright, a little recap. In the movie, Glenn says, Ralph, before he slams the door. But in Quistop's version, when Ralph says hi to Glenn, he just literally just slams the door. I'm gonna say this for the 100th time. Quistop, you've outdone yourself. You have outdone yourself.
Just wanted to check on cake.
Oh, well, thank you, Ralph.
Always wanted to try fireworks.
I don't suppose you'd like to come in and have fireworks, would you?
He's going to have fireworks. He's going to eat fireworks. That definitely won't leave any burns at all. Disney Castle meme. When Ralph said he wanted to eat fireworks, I knew that Disney logo was coming. Quistov, you used that castle logo very well. That was very well edited.
Even now.
Why is he here?
He's just here for a slice of fireworks. Oh!
A slice of fireworks. Yeah, looks like Ralph has an obsession with fireworks. He really wants to eat fireworks. Note to self, never eat fireworks. It'll leave burns.
Look, the cake.
See that? Look at that smile.
Oh, look! Hey, cake. You've really outdone yourself, Mary.
Hey, Mary. What's the flavor of that mud that I'm stuck in there?
Chocolate.
Oh, chocolate.
I hate chocolate.
Well, I did not know that.
One other little thing. I hate to be picky, but
Oh, called it! I knew he was gonna smash it again. When they got another cake, I knew Ralph was gonna smash it. Or, in his case, wreck it.
good night. Thank you for the party.
After some more baking.
Really outdone yourself, Mary.
Oh, and look!
no.
There's all of us at the top! Now you're just being ridiculous.
Well,
Yeah,
what about this?
right.
We can make. Gene?
Oh, yeah.
Game over.
Hey, Sonic! Oh. I guess this is why Gene is just a jerk. I really wish that would have been part of the movie. Or if they had bloopers, that could be one of them. Yeah, Ralph is triggered by Gene. Alright, moving on. Whoa, Turbo!
I'm Warthog!
The greatest racer ever. I'm not letting you undo all my candy.
I'm not letting you undo all my candy. That's actually gonna be hard since everyone eats candy. End of the line! Oh! Wrecked! We'll be right back. Oh,
Hey, cough drop.
Sour Bell.
Explain something to me.
He's not listening.
Talk.
He's not.
Give me back my medal right now!
Okay, so now he notices.
Right now!
Whoa, Ralph is triggered. How many times is Ralph gonna be triggered in this YTP? You okay, Sour Bell?
I'm not leaving without my medal.
No.
I'll
Okay.
eat you.
Okay.
Plot twist.
Warthog.
Suit yourself.
No.
So he's straight on murder, Sour Bell. So, Ralph doesn't make him talk, he just eats him. That'd be a major plot twist right there. Okay.
One more.
It's mental scene. Oh.
Welcome to the boss level!
Uh-oh. Oh, he knocks him back again.
Get back here, little guy!
Keep slapping him.
Some candy! Candy!
Yeah, he just keeps slapping
Where do
him.
you think you're going?
Slap.
Up we go! Look at that, it's game over for both of you!
Whoops. Oh man, now I wish that was a blooper. Like when King Candy or Turbo brings him up into the sky once he tries to make him look at Vanellope, he accidentally drops him. Seriously, that'd make a good blooper.
I'm not through with you yet!
Oh, I do it. Oh yeah!
Candy! Because of you,
Lots of
Ralph,
slaps.
I'm now the most powerful Warthog in the arcade!
I am the most powerful Warthog in the arcade! Alright. So, Turbo's apparently a Warthog. Alrighty then.
Wait! Up we go!
Oh yeah! Up you go! Oh. He's doing it! He's taking it all the way up to heaven!
You see, Ralph, there's no room for you up here.
Oh man, Ralph's gonna get triggered again. Oh wait!
There's no room.
How about we
Oh
just
wait!
eat?
Hey, hang on.
Why are you
Wait! Remix!
No.
Sick beats, bro! Yeah! Remix! Yeah! Keep going! Aww! I was enjoying that! Well, remixes can't go on forever. Or can they? Okay. Well, that was Ralph at Ralph. I'd say my favorite part of this whole YouTube boo was the firework transition to the Disney castle. Oh, that was a very well edited transition. Also, Ralph has an obsession with fireworks. Here's a fun fact. Never eat fireworks. They can leave you with burns. So many burns. Anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and if you like this laugh fest, hit the like button and subscribe to join that Timber Army.